Oh my god. So, this is what you get when you start off the game for the first time. Warning, whoever plays this loses their brain cells. Also, yeah, this is a joke mod. Shut up. Press the any key to begin. That's backwards. Okay. What? What's going on, guys? It's Didi here, back with another Baldi's Basics mod. Today we're playing Baldi Loves RC Cars. The suffering never end. It says it right there, but I cannot read it. But yeah. All I know, this Android port was made by Kiki, and this released not too long. I don't remember when this released, but this is a new mod by him. So yeah, let's go to how to play. Oh no. Okay, so Baldi went to Walmart last night and found some RC cars. 111. Yeah, and he brought it into his school because he used totally that would be cool. Until you showed up, and now remember, everything has a night job, and Baldi also installed a vacuum cleaner to kill you. Yay! Also, check Baggy out here. What? Is that even a real website? I don't know. But Baldi looks pretty funny. Let's start. Okay. So yeah, this is definitely the 1.3.2 mod. So
Oh, wait, what are you doing here in the middle of the night, and, oh, why are you saying that, I have an RC car on my, controller on my hand? Oh, that's actually, a video game controller,
what?
I'm getting video game consoles into the class.
What are you holding? ABC. Can we go through this? Absolutely not. He broke the door. He broke the walls. He broke this plant. He broke the wall. He broke everything in the schoolhouse. Oh my god. Can I leave? Okay, I can't. Let's collect our first. No. It kind of looks like you can walk. What kind of item? I'm guessing that. I'm hearing noises already.
Okay, I admit it, I actually have an RC car installed into this class, and a vacuum cleaner is installed as well. Yay!
What you need a vacuum cleaner for? But -5.
I can't believe it. You're incredible. Great job. That's right.
Also, another thing I forgot to say. Another thing I forgot to say is, y'all, voted. Y'all really want to see me play this mod. So many votes was on this mod. So, basically, y'all really wanted to see me play Baldi Loves RC Cars. Because so many votes was on this mod. Okay, let's make Baldi mad.
Problem 1.
2.
Good.
Watch out for that vacuum cleaner. Wait, what is the vacuum cleaner gonna? Oh, I'm being chased by a vacuum cleaner. This is so. Oh, I'm guessing. What? Is that a Roblox? He has smashed first prize. See, it looks like you can go into the walls. I'm guessing the RC car kills you. No, Baldi. Oh, so that's what Baldi has in its hand with the ABC. I was like wondering, what the frick was that? Was it the You Can Think pad? That's the remote control car for the RC car. Oh. That's the remote control car. I will help you with my RC. So, hold up. His RC cars doesn't kill you? Oh, yeah. Why is there a killer vacuum? Why is there a killer vacuum? Hi, Principal. Another thing is, I forgot to say, is we don't got a quarter. Now Baldi's handing out pennies. It feels like you move fast. Okay, I don't want to test it, dude. Bomb? What? Can you stop, dude? I don't trust you. So, what is this gonna be? Well, energy drink. Oh, that's the Zesty Bar. Okay, that's the Zesty Bar. Where's the vacuum cleaner? Ah! I hated that. Bro, get... I did not like that. I did not like that. There's more RC cars. No. Okay. Okay, so the RC cars doesn't kill you. You've got more than one RC cars. Can I... So, is the bomb a B soda? I think the bomb might be... Let me just use it on this Baldi. Okay, it is a soda. What? I didn't see you. That just went straight through the freaking window. So the bomb is the soda. I should have knew. Oh, I can't break his legs. Where's the killer vacuum at? Nope. I see it. I see it. Oh my god. This has got to be the funniest mod. Dude, stop, dude. This is actually a nightmare. Get through. This might be stupid. This is gonna be pretty stupid. Okay, watch out for that vacuum cleaner. I know. Go, go, go. Ooh, there he is. Okay. I gotta use it. Go away. We don't explode the vacuum cleaner. No, we just throw a bomb at it. It's so goofy. Go for it. Honestly, I wish the creator of this mod, like you could actually go through walls, because there's, like, holes in the walls everywhere. That would have been cool. Really? I'm dead. No! Is that a nuke? This is the best. This is the best. This is the best mod.
Oh, why are you saying that I have an RC car on my
Oh my god.
That's actually...
Yeah, I was trying to say, so the creators of this mod should have, like, because it actually kind of looks like you could go through the walls, but you can't. That would be cool, but, like, imagine Baldi or the vacuum cleaner could go through the walls, too. That would have been cool. But whatever. You didn't set off the vacuum cleaner. So, why does Baldi even have a killer vacuum cleaner? And why is there, like, 5 million RC cars? Every freaking where I go, there's, like, an RC car.
Fine, you're doing fantastic.
-1. He's sad. And one of Baldi's RC cars just smashed first prize. So instead of Baldi, like, chasing us with a ruler, he's actually being nice for once. He's actually gonna help us out with, like, his RC cars, but literally, like, 5 million of them, or, like, 10 of them, 20 of them, millions of them, are just gonna be everywhere. So that's why I heard that weird noise. That's the reason why I heard that, like, first prize weird noise. Like, the first prize noise. I honestly thought this mod would have, like, that's what I thought this mod has, like, RC cars. Like, Baldi's RC cars, like, kills you. That's what I thought this mod was gonna be, like. His RC cars would kill you. That's what I was expecting, but no. It's just like it's just even funnier. It's a vacuum cleaner just chasing us. Out of everything I would have gotten chased by, you need to go the frick away. Why don't you talk? Even better, a vacuum cleaner is chasing us. That is really funny. A vacuum cleaner. It's also cool that the RC cars actually have like a 3D model. That's actually cool. I don't like how there's like too many of them. This is like first prize had like clones or something. He had like too much clones. You better not. Oh my god. I can't, dude, no. Why do I'm guessing this model is from Roblox. That's what I'm guessing. Okay. Okay, they don't actually help you. Some of them pushes you and some of them don't. So yeah, that model is from Roblox. They can't push you. Baldi, your RC cars suck. They don't even push you. I hate you. I really... Why don't you talk? Oh, he's right there. I can't get that notebook. Can you knock it off? For some reason, you move pretty fast in this mod. Okay. Can I shoot? I think you can shoot these. Oh, he found me. Okay. That's perfect. That's just where I want him too. That's just where I want the vacuum cleaner. So, I'm making sure that he won't, like, loop around. One more. It's so hard to leave out of classrooms. Oh my god, it seems like every notebook I get. Can he go through? Every notebook that I get are just freaking vacuum cleaners. Okay. Y'all need to go. Oh my god, it's spinning around. It's spinning around in circles. Oh my god. I think the last one, yeah, the vacuum cleaner and, like, bully, take whatever. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care if he takes the bomb because there's, like, more bombs in there. There's more bombs in the cafeteria, so I can throw it at the vacuum cleaner. Okay. What's this? It's just a... What up? I don't know who that man is. Oh, wait. This is actually good, because I think in this version... Yeah. This version, if you get caught in the door, playtime... There's a glitch in this version that... If you get caught in the door, you'll actually be set free from playtime's jump rope. But that was later removed in the 1.4.3, 1.4.1. That was later removed. That bug has been fixed. That was like a pretty good bug. Like if you get caught in like a corner, if you get caught by playtime in like a corner of the classroom door, and then you're like stuck, like, freaking jump roping, you can actually be set free. Go away. Oh my god. At least they don't actually push you. We only need one more exit. Bye.
Hey, do you like my notes before you leave?
What? Huh? That's it? That's it? Okay. Baldi got a nuke, and... there was like a poll. I don't know. Let's try to get all the answers wrong. Probably. This might be a little tough, but maybe a little easy, because there's like bombs. Bombs or bee sodas everywhere in that freaking cafeteria. So if I do end up getting, like, in deep trouble, I hear math that bad. If I do end up getting in deep trouble with the vacuum cleaner and all that, I hate this version because you, like, get stuck on desks. That's the only thing I hate about this version, is, like, you get... Go! You get, like, stuck on stuff. Okay. Already an RC car. I will take the energy drink. Bro. Like... I don't know where's the vacuum cleaner. Did I just lose the vacuum cleaner? There's no way I managed to lose the vacuum cleaner. It's got a sweet... I was gonna say, is he not here? Honestly, I thought this item was like a bee soda, but it's actually the energy bar. Grab it. Turn. Oh my god. I mean, this is cool that there's holes on the freaking doors because I can actually see where he is if I'm in the classroom, which that is pretty good. He's moving pretty fast. To be honest, this mod is not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. You can get some far... Get in here, dude. Stop, like, looking at the classroom. You can actually get some far distance between the vacuum cleaner. Because the vacuum cleaner, like, moves pretty slow. As when I say that. We might. I can't run. Because this idiot. Playtime. No, that's the way I needed to go. Yeah, surprisingly, the vacuum cleaner moves pretty... Yeah, he moves pretty slow. Buy it! Oh. Okay, I see the vacuum. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's because the go-karts... I mean, not the go-karts, but the CS carts actually, like, stop the... I think it's because the CS carts actually stop the vacuum cleaner. I think that might be the case. We didn't get this one. We're actually doing some pretty good progress.
I'll take that. It's mine now.
He took that. Are you gonna catch me? No. I hate you. I hate you. No! Oh, that dodge! I did not hear. He didn't even say it. He did not say a word, dude. Are you serious? Let's give that another try.
Oh.
You must be
Wait,
joking me. You actually must be joking me.
Okay.
He didn't say a word. He didn't even say a word. I didn't know. Like, I must have gotten caught drinking drinks or throwing the bomb in the halls, but I didn't hear him. I think that might have been the case. Dude, like, I hate this version so much. I hate when you get stuck on, like, freaking desks. To me, you move pretty. I'm not gonna lie, like, it feels like you're moving pretty fast.
No entering school faculty only rooms in the hall.
I hate you. I really don't like you.
Detention for you. When will
To me, it's like you move pretty fast in this mod. Like, even if I'm walking, you move pretty fast. Or running. Like, you move more faster when you're running. Alright. There is bombs everywhere. Okay, there are 3 of them. So I gotta use them wisely. Move. RC car, get the frick out of my freaking face. Yeah, we can get this one. Alright. That last one was the good. If Principal never caught me. I'm trying to see where it's gonna go. I hear it, but I don't know. Game, please. I'll open. Look at how much RC cars there is. This is madness. Behind, in front. Thank you. Right. Dude, this is too much. Let's make them spin in circles. They're spinning in circles.
no entering
What?
the only rooms in the hall?
I hate. This is why I hate the principal. You not gonna get me, principal. I was just. You ain't gonna get me, principal. I was just freaking. I don't know. Can you leave me alone, dude? I hate you.
30 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Pray. I wasted that bomb. He sounds so close. It sounds so close, I don't know where it's at. Oh my god, we are at our last bomb. I wasted that bomb because I thought he was gonna be coming from that area. Move. Well, we're gonna have to pass on that. Get the frick out of here. Get. Okay. Alright. Are you.
Can I take your cane?
This is the way I need to go. move. Please take this.
I'll take
You
that.
took my last bomb. I hate you so much. And that really means I hate you. Well, at least there's a penny right there. It's moving lightning speed. It's gonna be like right down that hallway. There it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it actually, one of them do push you. Okay, so some of them do. We need to get to that cafeteria. I can't run. Because this freaking idiot. Alright. One more. And I know where that last one is. I just saved it. Dude. It is fast as frick. Why am I so much faster? Oh my god. We're gonna wait for this vacuum cleaner, this killer vacuum cleaner. It's freaking jumping around. The vacuum cleaner is literally freaking jumping around like a kangaroo or a rabbit. Alright, we got them all. Now, let's see if they did anything with file name 2. It's gonna go the other way. I know it too. I do have the bomb locked and loaded. So, yeah, I see him. I see him at the end of the... Bro! Come on, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing! Phew. Okay. What is farming to gonna be? Unless I find a way. I'll find a way. No! You did it, but now the principal is gonna kill me. Yay. That's it? Wait, that's it? That's it? Okay, so that's, I guess that's it. So I'm guessing that was the good ending and the bad ending. Well, everybody, that was Baldi Loves RC Cars. Very funny mod. If you want to play this for yourself, link is going to be in the description, along with my itch.io account. If you did enjoy this video, smash like, smash sub, hit the bell so you won't miss any videos I post. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.